Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Statistical inference problems look intimidating, but you can solve this one in seconds by focusing on the p-value and comparing it to the significance level alpha. To test for a linear relationship, we ignore the r-squared value. Instead, we must look at the p-value associated with the weight predictor in our regression output table today. Since our p-value of 0.680 is much greater than the significance level of 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is no evidence of a linear relationship here. We conclude there is no convincing evidence for the population of lions. Option E correctly identifies the lack of evidence and specifies the study sample for our final answer. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Ignore r-squared and avoid hasty claims. Always use p-value to verify your statistical results.